Hey students, this is lesson 421, or 412, sorry about that. And we're going to kind of concentrate on scientific notation of really small numbers. As you know, you can use scientific notation with positive integer powers of 10 to express very large numbers in the same way you can use negative powers of 10 to express really small numbers. Here's a couple examples. Notice this number is between greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10, so it's this one. Notice we also have a power of 10. In this case, the power of 10 is a negative number, and as you have learned, 10 to the negative third is actually 1 over 10 to the third, which is the same as 1,000, which is the same as 0.001. So when we multiply by 0.001, what that does is, if we're multiplying by 1,000, it would move the decimal to the right 3 places. When we multiply by 1,000, it moves the decimal to the left 3 places. So if we go 3 to the left of that number, we get 0.003456. All right? And the other thing you can think about as a negative power of 10 is this is 1 divided by 10 7 times, because 10 to the negative 7th equals 1 over 10 to the 7th, so it's really 1 divided by 10 7 times. And every time you divide by 10, it moves the decimal to the left. So if we start with 1 and we move it to the left 7 times, we get this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We get 0.0000001, which is 1/10,000,000. All right, so to help you think about this, in standard form, standard means the actual number. When we multiply by 10 to the negative fifth, that's 1 over 10 to the fifth, which is 1 over 100,000, which basically means we're dividing by 10 5 times. So if we start with 1.09 and divide by 10 5 times, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We put the decimal there, fill those in with zeros, and we get 0.000010, which is 109 10,000,000. Okay, so 1.28 times 10 to the negative second, we need to move the decimal to the left 2 times, because we're dividing by 10 twice. 1, 2, so we're going to put 0.012. And don't forget you can use your calculator to check these. I'll just do one example. So we think 1.28 times 10 to the negative second equals 0.0128. So 1.28 times 10 to the negative second, enter, is 0.0128. And really, if you want to, now some of these numbers will be too big for your calculator, too small actually for your calculator, so, but if we enter that and divide by 10 twice, you can see that's the same result as multiplying by 10 to the negative second. All right, let's try another one. These we want to change into scientific notation, so we're going to move this decimal from here to here, because we need a number that's greater than 1 but less than, greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. So we're going to make it 3.7 times 10 to some power, and we just need to know what this power is. And that power is going to take us from 3.7, 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the left, so that's 10 to the negative 4th power. Again, on here, we need to move the decimal after the 2 so that we have a number that's greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. So we're going to do 2.0, but those decimals, those zeros after the decimal aren't needed, times 10 to the some power. And the power that gets us from 2 back to where the decimal is now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to go 7 to the left, that would be -7. All right, we will practice some of those in class. And we'll do this in class, and I'll see you tomorrow.